This past week we have been talking about liquid-liquid equilibrium and how similar but slightly different this aspect will change most of the general concepts that we have already learned. For example, the pxy and txy diagrams now become the pxxy and the txxy diagrams, and they are built upon the same principles, but they look a little different than just normal vapor-liquid data as we would have for a pxy and txy diagram. The txxy diagrams have a bunny ear shape, in which there is a single vapor phase, a phase with a liquid phase with a majority alpha component, and a beta-rich liquid phase as well. There are equilibrium sections that are either vapor-liquid equilibrium, or which make up the bunny ears, the so-called bunny ears of the shape, and the liquid-liquid equilibrium, or the bunny base, you could say. I found it interesting how the heterogeneous azeotrope will show up as a horizontal line area region in an XY diagram, or a TXXY diagram, or a PXXY diagram as well. So the significance of the heterogeneous azeotrope that we learned about this week basically indicates that there is some kind of liquid-liquid equilibrium. There are two liquid phases present in the system, and it can be observed over the range of equilibrium values at which the slope is 0 on an XY line. So basically when you have this horizontal portion of an XY graph, that's when you're going to get a heterogeneous azeotrope. So also the PXXY diagrams are a little different because they are an inverted bunny ear phase almost. I found it a little interesting that the liquid-liquid equilibrium lines tend to be straight, almost vertical, because it makes sense in retrospect, because when you're dealing with pressure, liquids are virtually incompressible, and the equilibrium lines thus aren't going to change too much and be nearly vertical. Thank you.